Okay, hi there everybody, Daryl here doing a box of 2011-2012 Panini Dominion. I'm actually doing the first box of a sealed case, freshly sealed case right here. I just got in off the truck on Perlator about 10 minutes ago here. Been waiting to do it here all day. The one I pulled up was for the Winnipeg Jets, ended last night, January 7th at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you can see I wrote here serial number to be determined. It's box one from a sealed case I'm going to open up right now. Time is now January the 8th at 2:11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is the case. I'm going to read out and show all the box numbers from the seal case here. I'll show you guys. Freshly sealed. And yeah. Then I'll proceed to open up the first box. So this first video is going to take a little bit longer. That's okay. It's all for the sake of getting things done right. Correct? Spin this around so the boxes face you guys. So this is going to be box one. Box two underneath will be 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's grab my little labeling thing. This is just for myself. Nothing to do for you guys here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I grab them nice and quickly. There's box one. There's box two. Box one serial number is, let me just write on my list here, Dominion 1 is NE189816430. I'll show you guys that one real quick. That's the one we're going to be doing today. There you go. NE189816430. So that's one that's going to go today. Box two is 189816654. Show you guys that one right now. There you go. I can see it. Okay, that's box two. And box three. And box four. Box three serial number is 189821218. Clear up, and you can see it. Come on. Oh, autofocus. Why are you being such a pain today sometimes? You're going so nicely at the beginning. You know, I'm going to take it off autofocus for a second, I think. Controls. Sorry, guys. Oh, actually, I think I just got it, didn't I? There we go. NE189821218. I can see it. Hope you guys can. That's box three. As I was trying to change the auto controls there. Box four. 189824541. Oh, there we go. So closer apparently. 189824541. That is box number 4. 5 and 6 are at the very bottom. Five and 6. This is my third case of Dominion I've done this year. I've had 2 101s already, so maybe we'll get another one. 189823215. This is box 5. 189823215. I can make that out. So I hope you guys can too. Last but not least, box 6 is, I assume it's going to be 189 again, 821429. I'm going to update the eBay listings in a second here. There we go, 189821429. Good, came in nice and clear. Okay, so let me put the other ones back in here. 2 through 6. 4, 5, 3, and 2. Okay, close that guy up. Oh, straighten myself out again. Get rid of this because I don't need it. There's box 1. So I'll show you box 1 again. Serial number I read out before was 189816430. I wrote down here. There you go, there it is. Sealed tin of Dominion. I want to wish everybody good luck, and let's get something good out of this. Let's go, guys. Okay, there it is, nice and sealed. Should have a decoy on top, which it does. There'll be a decoy on the bottom, which it does. Sorry, empty box. Decoy on the top, decoy on the bottom. There are the cards, and let's get going. Good luck, everybody. First card for the Dallas Stars, Brett Hull, base card out of 199, number 5 out of 199. Second card for the Carolina Hurricanes, ex-Edmonton Oiler, draft pick that is, Riley Nash out of 199. For the Washington Capitals, auto rookie patch out of 199, Cody Eakin. For the, oh my god, I believe it's Ottawa Senators. There we go. Sorry, it messed me up for a second there. For the Ottawa Senators, autograph rookie patches horizontal, Stefan DaCosta. We have, for the New York Rangers, we have an All-Star Game card of Henrik Lundqvist out of 15. For the New Jersey Devils, we have an Adam Larson Mammoth patch out of 10. For the Colorado Avalanche, we have a Gabriel Landeskog out of 100 jersey card. And last but not least, for the Ottawa Senators, we have a base card of Daniel Alfredsson. And a decoy at the end. So again, I want to thank everybody who participated in the break. I have box 2 of this same case going tonight, as well as I believe box 1 of a fresh case of the cup going tonight. So again, have a great day, everybody.